If you are considering buying surveillance cameras, there are many unclear aspects ahead of you. What characteristics should you look for? What quality will the chosen cameras display? How long will the cameras from AliExpress last? And is it worth dealing with them? Will wireless Wi-Fi cameras work reliably? Which cameras perform well at night? Etc. In this article, we will provide 6 tips for choosing a surveillance camera. Don't focus on megapixels, but rather on recording examples. Today, the market has seen a surge of unscrupulous manufacturers and sellers passing off cameras with cheap 960h images as 2-megapixel cameras, making it pointless for beginners to look at specifications. Always ask for recording examples and ask the seller direct questions about the clarity in meters that this camera will provide. Choose a camera not based on budget, but according to the task. If your objective is to capture the face of an offender from a distance of 10-15 meters and you install a camera from AliExpress that shows clarity at 2 to 3 meters, then such surveillance will be pointless. You will see how a thief enters your property, you will see how he takes your belongings, but you won't be able to make out either the face or the license plate from such cameras. If you don't have enough money for the cameras you need, postpone the purchase and save up, or completely abandon it and choose alternative security measures like barbed wire. Properly consider night vision. Most outdoor surveillance cameras have their own night infrared or LED illumination. At the same time, it should be understood that the quality of shooting at night will be 1.5 to 2 times worse than during the day. And there will also be approximately half the field of view because the illumination shines in a direct beam. For example, a 2-megapixel surveillance system ISON Pro S shoots with clarity of 15-20 meters during the day, while at night the clarity drops to about 10 meters. The same 2-megapixel system, but with a varifocal lens ISON ST, has a more powerful night illumination and shoots with clarity of 20-25 meters during the day and up to 15 meters at night, up to 15 meters at night, up to 15 meters at night. The 4-megapixel system ISON Greco has an even more powerful night illumination and shoots with clarity of 30-35 meters during the day and 25-30 meters at night. So, if your subject requires high importance for nighttime shooting, keep these points in mind when designing your surveillance system. You can also always install additional lighting near the camera. This will improve the quality of night vision. If you are a beginner, choosing cameras and a recorder separately is a bad idea. By choosing cameras and a recorder separately, you risk, firstly, encountering incompatible equipment. Secondly, you may unknowingly choose a recorder with a maximum resolution of 720p for 2-megapixel cameras. This means that your 2-megapixel cameras will display at a resolution of 1 megapixel. To avoid these mistakes, choose a ready-made surveillance system where everything is already properly selected. Avoid R5 infrared diodes. Burnout of night infrared illumination is a typical problem with cheap cameras that flood the Russian market and cameras from AliExpress. With R5 diodes, the night illumination may burn out by more than 50% by the end of the first year of use. By the end of the second year, it may completely run out. Clarify with the seller what type of night illumination is used in the cameras you have chosen. Be cautious with wireless Wi-Fi cameras. Wireless. Wi-Fi cameras will work reliably only indoors without partitions, in office rooms or production workshops. If there are partitions between the camera and the recorder, if other Wi-Fi networks, lab lines, etc. are used on the site, the stability of the transmission over the Wi-Fi network may drop to 0. This means that when choosing a Wi-Fi camera, you cannot be 100% sure that it will work at your site without failures and will work at all. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos, and write your questions in the comments.